So one of the terms that new borrowers or any borrower comes across is LVR. So LVR stands for loan to valuation ratio, and what that is, it's the loan amount divided by the value of the property. And if you borrow, so if the LVR is 80% or more than 80%, then you have to pay lender's mortgage insurance on most occasions. There are some exceptions to that, but lender's mortgage insurance, you'll often hear it referred to as LMI. That's the acronym for it. That is a one-off premium that's paid to an insurer on behalf of the bank. So the insurance doesn't actually cover you as a borrower, it covers the bank. So if a borrower defaults on a loan and the bank has to foreclose and sell the property and they make a loss, then the insurer pays that loss, but then the insurer will try and recoup that amount from the borrower, but you have to pay the premium. So typically if you borrow 80% of the purchase price or less, there will be no LMI premium. There are sometimes some exceptions on certain products like low-doc loans, but generally even on a low-doc loan, you can potentially still avoid that premium up to 80%. Yes, so if you work in a certain occupation, then there is potential for you to borrow up to 90%, even 95% without incurring LMI. So those occupations, firstly, doctors is the main one. You can potentially get up to 95% as a doctor without incurring LMI premium. Then there's other professions like an accountant, lawyer. There's even now an option if you're a registered nurse to avoid LMI up to 90%. Yeah, so there is an opportunity where you can actually potentially capitalise the LMI, which basically means adding it to the loan amount. The downside to that is that you are essentially paying that premium off over the 30-year loan term, or 25 years, however long the loan term is. The upside is that you do not need to have as large a deposit. So if you capitalise it, then you don't need as big a deposit as you would if you paid the LMI out of your own savings. There is an LMI calculator on our website which will give you an indication of what the LMI premium will be. There is really only 3 major lenders mortgage insurers, so it'll give you a rough idea, but if you call me, I'll give you a more accurate indication of what the LMI premium will be.